This is the world, your world. This is a place of rising stakes and rising expectations, a world of intense disruption and an ever-increasing urgency to simplify. This is Anna, the CEO of a struggling fitness company. A CEO realizing it's time to transform Supremo Fitness to a product-as-a-service model with the help of insights provided by the Oracle Cloud. Anna sets the plan in motion by hiring a brilliant mind, a Chief Innovation Officer, found by the Chief Talent Officer by using AI to analyze key attributes and rank candidates to find the best fit, who she discovers within Supremo's own people. And this is that Chief Innovation Officer, Ravi. Ravi brings fresh ideas to develop a never-before-seen product, the Fit 5000, an IoT-powered subscription-based fitness machine that the development team brings to life with the help of AI to efficiently and thoroughly source the most reliable, high-quality suppliers to make the machines that are certified by quality engineers. The machines the marketing team introduces to the world by executing a highly targeted, multi-channel, self-optimized product launch campaign. Traffic spikes on the Supremo website. New customers are identified while qualified leads are captured and automatically assigned to sales reps who rapidly follow up with new customers, like the vice president of New Start Gym, who purchases a subscription for 500 of the latest machines, including a few recommended upsells. While the Supremo Fitness sales team successfully convert more qualified leads than ever before, resulting in Anna seeing a 287% jump in sales, and for once, feeling extremely confident about Supremo's future. New Start Gym customers rave about the exclusive health tracking information the Fit 5000 provides, creating a new following of loyal fans. And New Start realizes how crucial it is to keep the machines running smoothly, which Supremo ensures by giving field service engineers IoT notifications of preventative maintenance needs before there's a problem. Problems like machine repairs that are already reduced by easy traceability of defective parts back to the source suppliers through manufacturing blockchain. So New Start and Supremo can keep focusing on the next big thing for their customers. And all this came from an insight that came from the cloud that spurred Anna to fuel a change, a complete change to Supremo's whole business model, which she did by dreaming big and bringing those dreams to reality to embody business everywhere that could only be made possible by the Oracle Cloud. This is the world, your world. This is your simple, unified way forward to tomorrow's enterprise today, delivered by the only complete cloud, the Oracle Cloud.